Start by finely chopping garlic, ginger, onion, green chilies, French beans, carrots, and cabbage. For exact amounts to prepare, please refer to the recipe in the description below or to the list at the end of the video. In a large mixing bowl, mix together 1 cup of cabbage, half a cup of carrots, half a cup of French beans, about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 1 chopped green chili, half a cup of chopped onions, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well, crushing the vegetables. Using a muslin cloth or a clean kitchen towel, drain excess water from the vegetable mix by squeezing it. Empty the dried mix in a bowl and add to it 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of refined flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix in a kneading action, taking care that no lumps are formed. If the mix is too dry, sprinkle water as needed till the vegetable mix starts binding together. Heat oil in a kadhai, checking with a wooden stick if the oil is hot enough. Air bubbles will rise from the stick if the oil is ready. Using the mix, form balls roughly 3/4 inch in size and fry till golden brown. Once fried, drain on a sieve, letting them cool. Cooling on a sieve allows the Manchurian balls to cool evenly from all sides. Form and fry all the Manchurian balls and set aside. In a small mixing bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, half a tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1/4 tablespoon of red chili sauce, and half a tablespoon of tomato sauce and set aside. In a frying pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Cook till the garlic is golden in color. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onions, 1 chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons of chopped carrots, and 2 tablespoons of chopped French beans. Saute the vegetables and add the sauce mix. Adjust consistency using 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water. Mix and season with salt and pepper. In a separate mixing bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Add to the pan, mix well and bring to a boil. Once the gravy is thick, add the fried Manchurian balls and boil. Garnish with chopped spring onions and serve. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. For more such recipes, subscribe to the channel and leave a like down below if you enjoyed it.